What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Last week we did finish up on the engine, getting that all fully timed, buttoned up together. I have not installed the sensors yet or the intake manifold. That's going to be last. I want to try to get this engine into the car, make sure that subframe fits. If we need to make any modifications, I got to get started on that so we can get it all welded up. But this week we are going to be working on getting everything into the car. So kick back, relax, and I'll take you through what we've got. So you can see I still got a pretty good gap between the two, and I'm already making contact with the up pipe and the engine cradle. So I'm gonna have to try to make some room for that. We'll pull this back out, see what our options are. Alright, so I've got the subframe fully torn out. You can see the control arm still buttoning in there. I've got a jack kind of holding up that transmission. You can see right here that it's really bad. So that's gonna have to come off and see what our options are. Here, as you guys saw, I had to cut quite a bit of this. I did start laying in some cardboard so that way I can get some pictures sent out to some fab shops. I do want to box this part in here just to kind of give it a little bit more rigidity, just because I cut so much apart. So my issue with getting that welded up, and it's going to take me a little while, I feel like, because I've reached out to 3 different shops and they all say that, hey, we can do it, I'll let you know when we have some time. So I'm kind of just playing that waiting game. So that's really what's tying us up. I can't get the engine into the car until I get that subframe welded up. And honestly, with everybody tied up with so much work right now, who knows how long that's going to take. If it's going to take too much longer, I may as well just buy a welder, start learning how to do that myself. Ideally, I don't want to do that on something structural like a subframe, but push comes to shove if I need to. I don't want to hold you guys up. I don't want to wait too long. It is, you know, getting a lot warmer here in Arizona, heading into May. So I just want to get this rolling as quickly as possible, get the car on the road, work out any issues that we may have, finalizing the tune, and that way I can start to drive this is going to be a monster. It's going to be a sweet car. But that's what I've got for this week, guys. Thanks again for joining us. As always, please make sure that you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you want to see anything specific, anything extra. I am moving on to prepping for the dash display. That is also tied up. It was supposed to ship out end of last month, but they're having some parts availability issues, just like pretty much everybody else. I know we thought we were kind of over with that with COVID, but unfortunately with all the tariffs now, everything is becoming more and more expensive and harder to find stuff at a decent price. So I will keep you guys posted when I get some updates on that. Hopefully that does show up soon, and we'll go from there. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.